A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal ruling, a federal appeals court has disqualified Alina Habba, a former personal attorney to President Donald Trump, from her role as the acting U.S. attorney in New Jersey. This decision, made by the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Third Circuit, underscores the ongoing scrutiny of the Trump administration's efforts to place loyalists in key legal positions without proper Senate confirmation. Habba's appointment had already been contentious, leading to a legal battle that questioned the legitimacy of her role. The court's unanimous decision marks a blow to the Trump administration and raises questions about the legality of similar appointments across the country. The controversy began when Alina Habba was appointed as acting U.S. attorney for New Jersey after serving as a counselor to the president. However, her tenure was limited to 120 days unless extended by the U.S. District Court or confirmed by the Senate. As the deadline approached, judges in New Jersey sought to replace her with her deputy, Desiree Lee Grace. But this decision was met with resistance from Attorney General Pam Bondi, who instead promoted Habba, citing a series of legal maneuvers to keep her in power. The appellate court found that Habba was unlawfully serving in her position, affirming a lower court ruling that stated she did not have the authority to bring charges after her term expired. The judges emphasized that the integrity of the judicial system relies on the appointment process outlined in the Constitution, which includes Senate confirmation for U.S. attorneys. They noted that the Trump administration's argument to allow Habba to continue serving bypassed these essential legal requirements. The ruling has implications beyond Habba's case, as it challenges the administration's broader strategy to install loyalists in temporary U.S. attorney positions without proper oversight. Legal experts argue that this decision could set a precedent for future cases involving similar appointments, reinforcing the need for adherence to established legal frameworks. The court's opinion was clear. Allowing Habba to serve indefinitely without Senate confirmation would undermine the constitutional process and set a dangerous precedent for the Justice Department. This view is so broad that it bypasses the constitutional appointment and Senate confirmation process entirely, wrote Judge Michael Fisher, who authored the court's opinion. The ruling has been hailed by critics of the Trump administration as a victory for the rule of law. Habba's tenure as U.S. attorney has been marked by controversy, particularly regarding the charges brought against defendants in New Jersey. The legal challenge brought by these defendants argued that they were entitled to be prosecuted only by a duly authorized U.S. attorney, highlighting the fundamental due process rights at stake. The appellate court's decision reinforces the notion that the legitimacy of appointed officials is crucial to maintaining public trust in the justice system. As the Trump administration faces increasing legal scrutiny, this ruling serves as a reminder of the ongoing battles over appointments and the implications they carry for the integrity of federal law enforcement. With the Department of Justice expected to appeal the decision to the Supreme Court, the legal saga surrounding Habba's appointment is far from over. The outcome of this appeal could have far-reaching consequences, not only for Habba, but for the future of U.S. attorney appointments nationwide. In the wake of this ruling, Habba and the Justice Department have yet to respond publicly, leaving many to speculate about the next steps in this unfolding legal drama. Meanwhile, the political fallout from this decision will likely reverberate through the halls of power, as both supporters and opponents of the Trump administration weigh in on the implications of the court's findings. This case exemplifies the ongoing tension between the executive branch and the judiciary, particularly regarding the appointment and authority of federal prosecutors. As the legal landscape continues to evolve, the ramifications of this ruling will be closely monitored by legal experts and political analysts alike. The Third Circuit's decision is not just a legal setback for Alina Habba. It is a significant moment in the ongoing struggle over the rule of law and the accountability of those in positions of power. With the stakes higher than ever, the outcome of this legal battle will likely shape the future of the Trump administration's influence within the federal justice system. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.